Hey guys, it's your girl Tiff, and today's video is going to be a DIY project that I'm gonna do for Christmas, because I was supposed to do this last year, but by the time I even got to it, Christmas was over. So I'm gonna do it this year. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create this dinner table Christmas tree out of ornaments. I saw this person on TikTok do it, and I'm gonna tag them. But yeah, I'm gonna just do that. So I'm gonna just stop talking, and let's just get on with the video. All you're gonna need are big ornaments, small ornaments, a plate, and a hot glue gun. Hot glue gun and a glue. I'm fucking excited. Okay, so I need to figure out my angle for this camera. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna hot glue these balls with the metal or the hanging part going towards the inside. So throughout this video, you're gonna hear me call these ornaments balls. I don't know why I did that, but I did, so just ignore me, please. Me faltó. Okay, so I had to put like one gold in there. So I'm gonna just finish this one up. Also, in el video que puso la chica, like, she didn't say if she filled the middle up, because if that's the case, I don't think I have enough balls. ¿Cómo está quedando? So I think for the middle, because I don't have like enough of these pink ones, I'm gonna just fill it in with these silver ones. I bought all of this last year, and I'm like, I don't know what I was thinking. So this is how I want to place them, and we're just gonna glue them up. Para mi TikTok. Ahora que ya tenemos este plato, ahora vamos a poner estos. We're gonna put these on, the pink and the gold ones. My son is like sleeping right now, he's taking a nap. So if I can finish this before he wakes up, that'd be great. Quietly, of course. Hopefully everything. Alright guys, so I got a pattern now. I'm gonna go pink, gold, shimmer gold, gold, shimmer silver gold, into like a gold. You'll see, okay? I don't know if I have enough. Shit. Ay, mierda. I don't think I'll have enough. Oh my god. I hope it comes out small.
Mama.
Okay, mi amor.
What are you doing to fix it?
Mommy's making a ornament tree.
Oh, see?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, it's coming together. Somewhat. Okay, so I have this right here. We're gonna build it up. You guys can't see it. What the fuck? We're gonna keep doing what we're doing because I don't think it'll fill up that much anyways. So I'm gonna fill the inside with these red balls. You're not gonna be able to see it, like, because it's inside. So I'm gonna just do that real quick so nothing like tips over and whatnot and like falls inside. So yeah, I'm gonna just do that real quick. So yes, I'm just filling the inside, but the other balls, you know, stay inside. Okay, the tree is coming together, the ornament tree. Okay, ahora ya empezamos a poner estos así. Let's do it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's coming together. You will be filled in glitter. Just saying. ¿Qué pasó, mi amor?
Okay, see?
You want to try too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alright, Ren. Okay, press down. Press it. Good job. There you go. Good job. This is probably the easiest DIY project I've ever done. Well, I think the last DIY project I did stressed me out. It was my Disney wreath. However you say that. So this is what I have so far. Está un poco chueco. Damn it. Well, we're just gonna have to. Do you guys see it? It's coming together. Vamos a poner estos adentro. Yeah.
I don't want you.
Okay, mi amor.
I want to add you.
Yeah. You ready to go to the store?
Yes.
See?
Sí.
Sí, pues. Y sí, mamá.
Porque sé que.
Ajá. Es para tener en la mesa. Esto no se toca. ¿Ok?
La mesa.
Sí, en la mesa. Vamos a poner aquí. No toques eso, está caliente. Ahí y ahí. Así. Eso, mi amor. Good job. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, balls.
Yeah.
Hi, balls.
Hi, balls.
Hi, balls.
Pues estas son las pelotas.
What?
Estas son las pelotas aquí. ¿Se ve bonito? ¿Te gusta?
Yes.
¿Sí? Okay, it's getting bigger, guys. It's working out, but I am running out of some of my ornaments that I need. Getting a little scared. For some reason, I only have 2 gold ones. And my camera is dying, so I might have to switch over to my phone here soon. But yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this off for a little bit. Alright guys, so I finished it. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add these tiny little balls all around just so it looks better, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do the same thing. That looks so freaking cute. I love these. I love this. I really do love this. So see, look, I put them right here, and it's gonna go all around. If you guys have any other DIY projects that you guys want me to try out, or you guys want to see, I can do my research and give y'all all the details. Because I'm really, I got a Cricut. And I love it so much. I've made so many like projects already with it. I have a couple cute Christmas ones that I've seen so far. And I have a couple gifts ideas, but yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
So I finished my tree. Yeah.
Yeah.
It came out super cute. So.
Super too.
Yeah, I'll show you guys how I set it up. So that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY project. I love this so much. You can add lights to it, anything else you want, honestly. But for right now, this is all I have. So we'll see what I do with it. I might put it in the middle of my dining table because that's very cute. But yeah, if you guys have any other videos you guys want to see, I am planning to do like a makeup tutorial for Christmas, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow my social medias at Tiffanycherre and Cherrebeautique, and I'll be back with my next video.